Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am here making this beautiful glitter mix. I haven't made one in so long and I got some new puzzle pieces in. So I decided to make a puzzle piece glitter mix. So here I am. I'm mixing them on up. Hey there, for you new watchers out there, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so and make sure to hit that notification bell. And stay tuned for my next video because I plan on doing a set with this beautiful puzzle piece glitter mix. And for all my old subscribers, I love you all to pieces.